idea for you for a quick dinner. It's going to be lovely cod fillet. So let's go. We start with nice sauce. We've got 5 ingredients for that, which is ginger, garlic, soya sauce, rice vinegar, and fantastic honey. So let's start with peeling garlic and ginger. To peel the ginger, the best way is to use a spoon. Right, peel some garlic. Two cloves is enough. Now we're just gonna roughly chop some ginger. Right, now I'm going to mince it in the mortar and pestle. You can use any electric equipment if you would like to, right? So let's just mince it. For a better effect, you can just add a pinch of salt. So it's gonna be easy going. Right, so the paste is ready. Now I'm going to add another ingredient. So you can see nicely minced. So now I would like to also add just a little bit of lime zest, soya sauce, let's say around 100 milliliters, and rice vinegar, around half of the soya sauce, so 50 milliliters, and spoon of honey. 1 teaspoon will do. And we stir it lovely all together. Right, that is ready now. Now it's time to take care of our lovely fish. That is cod, beautiful one side of cod. So we're gonna cut lovely chunks. So make sure there is no bones. What we want here is lovely cod supreme, nice pieces. The other pieces we can keep for fish and chips or maybe for fish fingers. So I'm gonna cut 3 portions of lovely supreme here. Look at this, beautiful. 2. And 1 more. 3. Cod supreme, I'm going to put it nice in the box and pour in this marinade. Try to don't put it on the skin. So we put it both sides, but avoid the skin. So this is how it should look like. Hope you can see that, yeah? Skin is clear and the cods are dipped in the marinade. Fish is marinating. Now it's time to chop some veg. I got some Romano peppers. So let's go for it. It's gonna be like a stir fry style, alright? That should be enough. Now mosh 2 the same way, just lovely crispy strips. And now spring onion, the white part I'm going to use for that, and the green one just for garnish. All the veg are ready now. Meantime I put some pan is getting hot. And we're gonna take the fish out. Make sure it's dry. Skin must be dry, that's the most important, guys, to get it crispy. And all the juice you're going to put in this little pan and just warm it. Just warm it up. Fish into the pan. Can you hear that lovely sound? That means it's going to be delicious. And all this is going on like this, it's time to put the wok on. But don't worry, if there is any pan you got in the house, just make sure it's very, very hot. That is for vegetables. Same time, we're gonna put the kettle on. It's going to be for our noodles. Good practice is to make sure all the skin is crispy to press fish so the skin is getting flat and it's gonna be lovely crispy. Now the water is already boiled, so we'll just cover our noodles. For the better effect on faster, but that's what our point is, to make sure the dinner is going fast, we can clean that. Right, hopefully skin is crispy. Must be. Look at this skin. Can't be any better. Amazing. It is quite dark, but don't worry, that is the soya sauce. Lovely caramelized. That stage, the dinner will be ready in 5 minutes. So, make sure to put the wok on high heat. I'm gonna switch it. Okay, make sure the fish cook quickly. I'm gonna put just a little bit of hot water on the pan, so the steam gonna cook the fish through. We don't have to use oven, if not necessary. We want a quick dinner. Now, wok is very, very hot. That means it's the time to put our veg. Start from peppers. It takes the longest time to cook. Noodles should be ready by now. It's literally around 4 minutes. So we will strain it. We need to make sure they are very dry. Time to put the rest of the ingredients. So mushroom, bean sprouts. We keep the spring onion on the end. Maybe just a touch of oil because it's getting dry. That's nice and crunchy. We're gonna chop in our noodles and spring onion. I also will put a little bit of salt and pepper. Everything is ready, time to plate it up. Put some of our lovely juice on the bottom of the bowl. Noodles. And this lovely cod. For a garnish, you can use our lovely chopped chili, spring onion, and fresh coriander leaves from our garden, herb garden. I think a little bit more of the juice. And that is it, guys. This beautiful Asian style cod for your dinner, just ready to eat. Hope you enjoy. Let me know how was it.